Road surveyors in Gurgaon play a crucial role in the development and maintenance of roads in the city. Gurgaon, being a fast-growing urban center, requires regular surveys to assess the condition of existing roads and plan for new road constructions. Road surveyors are responsible for collecting data on road conditions, traffic patterns, and other relevant information. They use various tools and techniques to measure and analyze the data, such as DGP devices, laser scanners, and surveying equipment. This data is then used to design and plan road improvements, including widening, resurfacing, or creating new road networks. The role of road surveyors in Gurgaon is not limited to just data collection. They also play a vital role in the design of roads and transportation systems in the city. Scon design, or survey control design, is an important aspect of road surveying. It involves establishing control points or benchmarks on the ground that serve as reference points for future surveys and construction activities. These control points help ensure accuracy and consistency in measurements and provide a reliable basis for designing roads and infrastructure. Road surveyors in Gurgaon use advanced technologies and software applications to create precise and detailed Scon designs. These designs consider various factors such as topography, soil conditions, drainage systems, and traffic flow. By incorporating these factors into their designs, road surveyors can develop effective and efficient road networks that cater to the needs of the growing population in Gurgaon. The expertise of road surveyors in Gurgaon is crucial for the development of safe and sustainable transportation systems. The construction and upkeep of the city's roadways are greatly aided by road surveyors in Gurgaon. Since Gurgaon is a rapidly expanding metropolitan area, it is necessary to conduct periodical surveys to evaluate the state of the current roadways and make plans for brand new road constructions. Data collection on traffic patterns, road conditions, and other pertinent information is the responsibility of road surveyors. To collect and evaluate the data, they employ a variety of tools and procedures, including DGP devices, laser scanners, and surveying equipment. Following that, this information is used to develop and plan road improvements, such as lane widening, road resurfacing, or the construction of new road networks. In Gurgaon, road surveyors' duties go beyond merely gathering data. In addition, they are essential in the planning of the city's road and transportation networks. Road surveying includes an important component known as Scon design, or survey control design. Setting of control points or benchmarks on the ground that serve as a starting point for upcoming surveys and construction work. These control points serve to assure measurement precision and consistency and offer a solid foundation for constructing infrastructure and roads. Gurgaon's road surveyors use cutting-edge hardware and software to produce accurate and thorough Scon designs. Topography, soil quality, drainage systems, and traffic flow are just a